Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Welcome to Approved to Move. My name is Kendall Gervais. I'm a realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty, and today we are in Fort McCoy, Florida. I'm in a manufactured home that's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with hardy board siding. The property is 1.39 acres, and it backs right up to the Ocala National Forest and the trails. There's so much to do out here: springs, camping, riding your ATVs, horseback riding. This house is listed at $272,000. Zoned for agriculture, and it's a real hard to find private location right off of Highway 316. Leave a comment or contact me to get connected with one of our great lenders or to come see the house and schedule a showing. All right, let's take a look around.